What you are about to witness is not just a restoration. It is the astonishing resurrection of a machine left for dead. Buried beneath layers of mud and profound neglect, a hidden potential is about to be unleashed. Every obstacle is a test of will. The journey begins by stripping away the past. With powerful force, years of decay are washed away. Each layer of grime hides a piece of the story. The vehicle's true form begins to emerge. Even its identity, once obscured, is revealed. A clean slate is prepared from the rooftop down. The view to the world is cleared of its cloudy past. Now, the surface waits, ready for its transformation. Inside the workshop, the real work begins. The smallest imperfections are painstakingly removed. Each component is carefully dismantled. Deep within the chassis, hidden problems are addressed. The heart of the machine is inspected with an expert eye. Time and rust have taken their toll on its core components. A delicate operation is underway to revive the engine's power. The intricate carburetor, the vehicle's lungs, requires precision. A surgical dissection reveals the complex inner workings. Years of buildup are dissolved, preparing it for renewal. Every tiny part is meticulously cleansed. This is a testament to patience and craftsmanship. Collaboration is key in this ambitious undertaking. The signs of wear tell a story of a long and hard life. Behind the panels, more secrets of its past are found. The very structure is deconstructed. The cancer of rust is confronted and removed. Each piece is assessed and prepared for its future. One by one, the connections to its old self are severed. Slowly, the vehicle is built back stronger. Attention to detail is paramount in this rebirth. The vision of the future is carefully pieced together. The preparation for a new identity begins. Every element is masked with precision, protecting what will remain to highlight what will be changed. A final seal before the great transformation. Everyday materials become tools of creation. The delicate process of masking continues. Beneath the surface, the old wounds are healed. The body is sculpted, removing all traces of its former damage. But another challenge appears, a new canvas arrives. This one, too, is meticulously prepared for a new beginning. The first coat is applied, a base for the beauty to come. A steady hand guides the transformative spray. The old body is erased under a new, uniform skin. Each pass brings it closer to its final form. The painter works with focus and dedication. A methodical process ensuring a flawless finish. The primer coat is nearly complete. Every inch is covered with care. A promise of what's to come. The vehicle is now a blank slate. A monotone canvas awaiting its true colors. The final touches of the base layer are applied. And now, the moment of unveiling begins. The protective layers are peeled back, revealing a perfect foundation for the final masterpiece. The final detailing phase begins. Every touch point is polished to perfection. The scars of the past are vacuumed away. The interior, once neglected, is given new life. The dashboard is meticulously cleaned, one detail at a time. A gentle touch restores the instrument panel's clarity. Even the hidden spaces are purified. No corner is left untouched in this renewal. The entire cabin is purged of its history. The floors are swept clean of all debris. The wheels are refinished, ready to roll into the future. But as one project nears completion, another, greater challenge emerges. This forgotten relic appears to be beyond saving. Caked in earth, its body ravaged by rust. A brutal cleaning reveals the true extent of the decay. What cannot be saved must be broken away. This is a daunting task, a true test of vision. The shell is brought to the workshop. Here, its journey back from the brink will begin. The process of total deconstruction commences. Sparks fly as the corrupted metal is ground away. A team works to dismantle the vehicle's corroded skeleton. Fresh energy joins the monumental effort. The engine, the very soul of the machine, is carefully lifted. It is a moment of heavy truth, removing the heart of the relic. Set aside, it awaits its own resurrection. With impossible effort, a renewed engine is placed back in its home. Deep inside the bay, intricate connections are re-established. The fire of creation reshapes the body. The engine, though still showing its age, is now clean. The complex of the electrical system is patiently rewoven. With intense focus, the bodywork is smoothed and refined. New material is applied, sculpting a new form over the old. The art of metalwork is a slow and deliberate process. The vehicle's lines are redefined. The surface is sanded, creating a flawless canvas. Perfection is sought in every curve. A final cleanse before the color is introduced. Welding fire joins old metal with new, forging a stronger body. The final imperfections are ground smooth. With a welder's flame, the team fuses past tan future. A special treatment is applied to halt the decay forever. The engine's complex systems are fine-tuned. Experience guides youth as key features are installed. The first layers of protective paint are applied. Once again, the meticulous masking process begins. The body is prepared under a storm of dust tan sparks. Every window is carefully protected. This careful preparation is the secret to a perfect finish. A final seal before the grand unveiling of its new color. And then, the transformative moment arrives. A vibrant, striking color breathes new life onto the steel. The car is reborn in a hue of timeless elegance. The fresh paint is polished, revealing a brilliant shine. Final welds secure the interior structure. The inner mechanics are reinstalled with care. The masked-off vehicle now holds its final color. The view to the outside world is restored. The final piece is lowered into place, completing the astonishing transformation. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Sturgerage for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.